My friend, today I want to take you on a journey that might just change your life, because we are going to talk about something that is silently spreading around the world and hurting millions of people every single day: high blood sugar and diabetes. These conditions do not just show up overnight, build slowly and quietly inside the body, and many people ignore the early signs until it is too late. But what if I told you that your body is constantly giving you signals that scream for attention, signals that are alarming? And if you listen to them, you could protect yourself and live a healthier, stronger life. This is not just another health talk, this is your wake-up call, because ignoring these signs could mean years of struggle with your energy, with your weight, with your organs, and even with your happiness. When your blood sugar starts to rise above the normal level, your body reacts in ways that might seem small or even harmless at first. But each one is a warning light flashing inside of you. The first alarming sign is constant thirst. No matter how much water you drink, it feels like you can never quench that dryness in your mouth. Your body is screaming for balance. Because high blood sugar pulls fluid from your tissues, leaving you dehydrated and desperate for relief. Imagine carrying a bottle all day long and still feeling dry. That is not normal. That is your body telling you something. The second alarming sign is frequent urination. You might laugh it off first and think, maybe I just drank too much coffee. But when it happens again and again, even in the middle of the night, that is not normal. Your kidneys are overworking to flush out the excess sugar in your blood, and they are making you run to the bathroom constantly. This sign is one of the most common but often ignored. The third sign is unexplained weight loss. Now, at first glance, this might sound like a good thing, but when your body is burning fat and muscle, not because of exercise or diet, but because it cannot use sugar properly, that is a serious problem. Your cells are starving even though you are eating enough, and this silent breakdown can make you weaker day by day. The fourth alarming sign is constant hunger, the kind of hunger that never seems to go away. You eat, and within an hour or two, you are craving more food. That is because your body is not able to use the sugar in bloodstream for energy, so your brain thinks you are starving, and it pushes you to eat again and again. This cycle becomes dangerous because it leads to overeating, weight gain, and even higher blood sugar. The fifth sign is extreme fatigue. You feel tired all the time, no matter how much you sleep, no matter how much coffee you drink. It feels like your energy has been stolen from you. This is because your cells are not getting the fuel they need to function, so your whole body feels like it is running on empty. The sixth alarming sign is blurry vision. This one is especially scary because it can strike suddenly. You look at something and it seems foggy or unclear. High blood sugar causes fluid to be pulled from the lenses of your eyes, which changes their shape and makes it hard to focus. Ignoring this sign could eventually damage your eyes permanently. The seventh sign is slow healing wounds. Maybe you cut yourself or have a small bruise, but instead of healing quickly, it lingers for days or weeks. This happens because high sugar levels damage your blood vessels and nerves, making it harder for your body to repair itself. Even a small wound can turn into a serious infection if ignored. Eighth sign is tingling or numbness in your hands and feet. This is one of the scariest signals because it means nerve damage is already beginning. High blood sugar damages the tiny nerves in your extremities, and once that damage starts, it can be very difficult to reverse. Imagine losing the ability to feel your hands or your feet. That is how serious this symptom is. The ninth alarming sign is frequent infections, especially in the skin, gums, or urinary tract. Sugar feeds bacteria and yeast, so when your blood sugar is high, you are creating the perfect environment for infections to thrive. If you notice repeated infections, this is a major red flag. The 10th sign is darkened skin patches, especially around the neck, armpits, or groin. This condition, called acanthosis nigricans, is a clear signal of insulin resistance. Your body is struggling with sugar processing and showing it on your skin. 11th alarming sign is mood swings and irritability. You might feel fine one moment and then suddenly crash into anger or sadness when your blood sugar is unstable. It impacts your brain chemistry, directly leading to unpredictable emotional changes. The 12th sign is headaches that come again and again. Sugar fluctuations in the blood can trigger frequent headaches and sometimes even migraines. The 13th sign is dizziness or feeling light-headed because your blood sugar levels are crashing up and down, making it hard for your brain to stay balanced. The 14th sign is dry, itchy skin And excessive dehydration, the more your sugar spikes, the more your body loses fluids, leaving your skin screaming for relief. The 15th sign is trouble concentrating, sometimes called brain fog. When you cannot seem to focus or remember simple things, it may not just be stress, it may be your blood sugar interfering with your brain. The 16th alarming sign is constant nausea or stomach pain. High blood sugar can slow down digestion and damage nerves in the stomach, leading to discomfort that refuses to go away. Now, these 16 signs are not random, they are your body shouting out for help. And if you catch them early enough, you can make changes before diabetes takes control. But what happens when you ignore these warnings? That is when full-blown diabetes begins to show, and its symptoms are even more destructive. The first major symptom of diabetes is constant fatigue on another level, not just tiredness but exhaustion that drags you down every single day, no matter what you do. The second symptom is vision loss or eye damage, known as diabetic retinopathy. This is when prolonged high sugar begins to destroy the tiny blood vessels in your eyes, eventually stealing your vision. The third symptom is kidney problems. High blood sugar puts enormous strain on your kidneys, and over time this can lead to kidney failure, requiring dialysis or even transplant. The fourth symptom is nerve damage, which we touched on earlier, but in full diabetes it becomes far more severe, leading to painful burning sensations or complete numbness in your extremities. The fifth symptom is heart disease. Diabetes is one of the biggest risk factors for heart attacks and strokes because high sugar damages your arteries and makes your blood vessels weak and stiff. The sixth symptom is foot problems, from infections, ulcers to even amputations in extreme cases, because the nerves and circulation in the feet become severely damaged. The seventh symptom is frequent severe infections that no longer heal easily because the immune system is weakened and sugar feeds harmful bacteria. The eighth symptom is loss of sexual health, both for men and women, because high sugar damages blood flow and hormone balance, leading to dysfunction and frustration. Now, I know this is heavy information, but it is also powerful knowledge, because once you know the signs and the symptoms, you can act, you can take back control before it is too late. Do not ignore your body when it whispers, because those whispers eventually turn into screams, and by then the damage may already be done. So what should you do? First, do not panic. Knowledge is power. Second, if you recognize any of these signs in yourself or someone you love, take action. Get tested, talk to a doctor, and make lifestyle changes right now. Diabetes may be widespread, but it is not unbeatable. People reverse high blood sugar every single day through diet, exercise, weight management, and discipline. This speech today is not meant to scare you, it is meant to awaken you, because your life, your health, and your future are too important to throw away. Diabetes is not just about sugar, it is about energy, about organs, about quality of life, and about your time with the people you love. So listen carefully to your body. Do not ignore the thirst, do not laugh at the fatigue, do not dismiss the blurry vision. Every sign is a gift from your body, giving you one last chance to fight back. Take that chance now, because prevention is always easier than cure, and your health is the most valuable treasure you will ever own. This is your moment, your choice, and your future. So now that we have walked through all the alarming signs of high blood sugar and the clear symptoms of diabetes, it is time to take a deep breath and reflect on what this really means for you and your loved ones. Health is never something to take for granted, and when it comes to blood sugar, the signals are often there long before a crisis ever shows up. Your body is constantly giving you hints, gentle nudges, sometimes even loud warnings, and when you begin to notice them and act on them, you are not just managing a disease, you are protecting your future. You are giving yourself the chance to live with energy, with balance, and with peace of mind. The truth is that diabetes does not have to define your life, and high blood sugar does not have to become your silent enemy. Knowledge is power, and now you hold that power in your hands. You know what to look for, you know how your body speaks to you, and you understand that small changes can create a huge transformation. It is never too late to take control. It is never too late to say, today I begin again. Today I choose a healthier path. Imagine waking up each day with the confidence that you are in charge of your health, instead of being controlled by numbers on a chart or medications on a shelf. That confidence comes from awareness, from action, and from consistency. And the best part is that every positive step counts, drinking more water, moving your body, even a little bit, making wiser food choices, all of it adds up and creates momentum toward a brighter, stronger life. So as you finish this video, let it not just be information, let it be motivation, let it be a reminder that you deserve health, you deserve vitality, and you deserve to live free from the heavy shadow of uncontrolled blood sugar. This is your moment to take action, to listen to your body, and to step forward into a life that truly belongs to